Hey! Oh, this is Grogu.
Hit me.
Okay, so I am Green Circuit, and I just wanted to share something with. This is actually a video for Shade Air. It looks kind of like that. Like it's got red eyes, and it goes like this. And wears goggles. It's gray, like red, like 13 Black Onyx. Anyway, I just needed to. Okay, let's go into Minecraft, the one that multi-MC Minecraft, Java. The one where I finally developed a powerful mod pack where I got all of my favorite mods together, excluding the ones that break the game after years of experience with help from advanced AI stuff in order to make it work. Or in order to achieve it faster and be more efficient, and it helped in ways that may have made it possible when it wasn't. But a lot of my experience helped with, like, once I have the Dream Machine, like the ideal specs on a Windows 10 Pro computer, Z840, is certain settings that you need to do within multi-MC in order to get Minecraft 1.12.2 working as well as it can for where it runs smoothly. And I'm actually, before I show this little PNG, which is one of the things that I added in as a picture within the camera mod, using sort of like how in Cyberpunk 2077 you can like take a screenshot for the thing and then like add in a picture. But like, okay, so this is like the long mod list, and it has custom configs. And then also I recently played, because one of them is the Jurassic Craft thing, but one of the configs actually disables dinosaurs by default, and then some other creatures from other things, so that you can just do them with spawn eggs. But the Jurassic Park 1.12.2, somebody made Jurassic Park for it, but like with my powerful mod pack configs, like the dinosaurs don't spawn by default. So the last time I played, it was like I added it in, like I journey map TP to the TP to the gate, and then I went into the gate and added in the dinosaur, and I added in a Triceratops and a bunch of the Brontosaurus, Brachiosaurus or something, the long necks. Settings. Okay, so here we go, settings. So to use this, you need JDK 1.8, Java 8. You need memory allocation 8192. Write this down. MIB for minimum, and then maximum 16384, and then this parallel with threads 12. But I actually wanted to make a video as Green Circuit, who is a little bit better than Ghetto Circuit, and a little bit more green and blue. Kind of like Ghetto Circuit is green and blue, but like he's a little bit more green and blue than Shade Air, who's like all red and left, and Red Hat Hacker rather than like. But they're all black, white, red hacker, but like. But those are just characters that are, because like I don't really do hacks in real life, I just do life hacks, because that's the type of thing I am. But blah, 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 blah. Okay, so let's go into the worlds. Okay, so this is the 1.12.2 powerful mod pack 1. Let's go to the folder, and I want a specific image that I have somewhere, that I have in my camera mod scrapbook inside of the thing. So let's go to .minecraft. I used to not have like a mod loader. My friend Bill or William, like he recommended the mod loader, and then I eventually like the guy with the eye for his face, who reviews mods and stuff, he actually recommended for the 1.21.1 and the 1.20.1. I actually use the shader, which works on a non-RTX. I use the shader for those two versions that he recommended. I forget, I think it's like Asian Half Squad or something. I know my friend Bill, like he watches them, but but yeah, 1.12.2. Like if you want to have something like the powerful mod pack, and you have no experience with things breaking, and like seeing what breaks and like seeing like what the configs need to be, and like for what you want to achieve and stuff, like literally, like it took advanced AI assistance, it took 7-zip, and it took years of experience with modding 1.12.2, and then a lot of trial and error, and then like every time I would so if you want to create a powerful mod pack for any version, you every time you add a new mod or make an update, you play test it after you've added the new mod, and you do a lot of playing on the thing. But before you do that, whatever is working, like this one's working, this is the one, and then you make a backup, Jenny to backup 5/16/2026, and then you like you do the or you play test it and make sure that everything works, and like if anything breaks, then you can go back to the backup, which is like if I hadn't used that methodology, or if I hadn't done that whenever I was doing it, which was several times as I added in the new mods and stuff, and like with the experience from it, like if I hadn't done that, then I would have wound up with a broken thing and broken worlds and stuff. Also, backing up your worlds, you gotta save the world. You gotta save the world. Which is such a cool thing that you can do in Minecraft. Recently, I got these blocks, the notch block, in one of the mods for the powerful mod pack. I realized that you could have sort of a Lego experience with it, but just like the brick experience, like or with the Lego like bricks or whatever. But they are completely different from, like, they don't have the things, but like there's certain resource packs that make all the blocks have like the Lego thing at the top. But like what I wanted to do was to be able to have like the square pieces and the rectangle pieces where I could put it on, and then like within a block, and then put another one, and like sideways. So you just put the block and then the block and the different colors. Dude, what did I add the did I add the account to it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did, and then I put it onto the thing that you were watching.
Yeah. So it's logged in your account.
Yeah, and so hopefully it'll
Watch everything now, right?
yeah, and I'm gonna like just for in case I come in there, like I'm gonna save for watch later certain things whenever I'm on Tubi, so that they'll be on the list on there.
Yeah. You got a TV in yours?
Yeah, I have my computer, and then my main screen is a TV, so like.
So you watch TV on your desktop?
Yeah, like there's the Tubi app, there's the Pluto app, and then there's like YouTube within the browser. But I actually developed that thing that lets you, like, because I have a Chromecast too. But like I developed something where the Chromecast plugs into a video capture card, and then like you can have it in a window. And then there's actually something on the website that, like, if you have a capture card on your computer, like if it's a desktop, then it'll like you can go to the website and then plug your.
It's not the one you was talking about, the movies, right? Where you can watch free movies on there, right?
No, that's another website that some people are hosting right now, or like the one that you mentioned, that Putlocker, somebody recommended that to me, but whenever I've looked at that site, like it doesn't like a lot of the times the movies don't load, but usually like if somebody hosts that 1, 2, 3 movies, it usually works pretty well. But I was recording something where I wanted to show a picture as one of my characters, Green Circuit, because like for all the computer, like I have some like hacker computer characters, and like and one of them's shade error, one of them's green circuit, and then the ghetto version of green circuit is ghetto circuit. But I was making a thing themed on green circuit, and I'm actually like still like I was recording it, but I logged into Pluto on there. So hopefully since it's logged into an account, like hopefully it won't just like stop playing. But like I think that it might have like a continue watching thing that it might still do.
Yeah, that's what's up. Other than that, I used to have a thing for the hacking shows and shit like that.
Oh yeah, there's some video game characters who have like a special type of like hacking magic, which I think I like playing games. They're not really hacking games, but they're like mini games for like where you solve a puzzle, and then like that's the whole process of hacking, and like whatever happens, whatever you're trying to make like whatever device is supposed to work in whatever way, like you just solve the puzzle. Like there's this one on Saints Row IV where you just like where you turn the pipes until it connects one side to the other, and then that's the hacking game. I actually made a website that like you solve the same hacking games that I've used in those games, but like I developed like these sites where you go to the site, and then you solve the hacking game, and then it takes you to my site. So like that's it's like a fun game where you like where instead of just going to the site, you can also like hack the site with like you can in a video game. Like hacking into the site is like with the video game style.
Yeah, I had to ask them, so it's hard to see your account, and I could watch my anime and shit like that, right?
Yeah, and then whatever. I think there's like a history. So like if you watch something cool and like I see it, then I might watch it on in a window on my computer.
Yeah, for sure.
And I asked my AI assistant if if you could have like if you could be watching on like a TV and like a computer, and it says that Pluto works fine with that.
Yeah. Thanks, appreciate it, man.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's see. That some cool green circuit stuff. Okay, so it's under 30 minutes, and I'm gonna try to find that picture for the camera mod that was replaced for one of the camera pictures, so that it would be in the game. And let's see, mods. I think it's in configs for the camera mod. Let's see, config. Camera mod, camera, C, camera. Okay, no, maybe it's in .minecraft. Or maybe, actually, it might be in the world folder. It's for, so let's see, photo frame catch, camera mod. Camera mod, okay, I'm gonna see if each world has its own camera mod photos. So let's go into the world. I'm going to back out, and I'm going to go into multi-MC and then edit instance. And then, let's see, view folder. And then, oh no, not view folder. Oh yeah, so I'm in worlds and then view folder, and then Jenny 2, J, let's see. No, Jenny 2 is the thing, so it's the forever world. Yeah, there it is. Okay, let's see if that camera mod folder is in here. So let's see. See? Camera images. There it is. Okay, here we go. I actually made this version in Photoshop because there was like a cigarette or something, and then some other things, and I don't smoke and I don't drink, so I've added the things on the side. So, me trying to act unbothered after decoding the fact that reality is fully programmable. Alright, thank you so much for watching.